Now take it easy, take your time. If you're confused about what's yours and mine, you can have it all, I won't make a fuss. Oh please, just let me know when there's more of us. There's sushi, pizza, crepes, gelato, steaks, and grapes. How can I concentrate on what's at stake? Let's not. Let's go in on all of it. I'll go halves on all of it, or I'll eat all of it, you eat all of it. I'll just pay for all of it, and as a thank you for your company, I'll share some good food with you too, like paella and Peking duck and jambalaya and Korean fried chicken. Please have a dumpling, I insist. Take a bite of this